commercial. You think you're gonna get me like that?
I recorded it.
No, you didn't.
How much you want to bet?
Look at my boy. Happy birthday, buddy. This is really weird that no one's here yet.
Well, we'll just have a nice party by ourselves. Get him. Let's sing. Let's dance.
Why do you always have a cookie? I mean, the snowman head.
Does he have his eyes closed? Like he's a soul man?
That's his cheesy face.
Anna, I'm kind of thinking we should play kids' music. What do you think? Michelle, what do you think?
What are you eating now?
The same cookie I just grabbed a minute ago.
Oh,
Do you think we should play kids' music?
absolutely.